Hi there, have you ever wondered how to make a room full of white people go absolutely berserk? Well, the answer is make this sound. Works literally every time. Hey, I'm Spencer, how are you? Today we're gonna learn Mr. Brightside by the Killers. Little warning here, they're tuned a half step down, I'm in standard. So if you want to play along with the track, tune your guitar half step down after you watch this video. Thank you so much. Okay, cool. Let's dive right in. Middle finger on the 17th fret of the A string, first finger on the 16th fret of the D string, pinky on the 19th fret of the G string, and your ring finger on the 17th fret of B. Cool, should sound like that. Make sure everything's pushed in and ringing out nice and clean, and also make sure you are curved forward enough that we can get that open E string. The picking pattern is gonna look like this. Cool, so we've got A, D, G, A, D, G, D, and then E, B, G, and then an open D. That open D string is what's gonna allow us time to switch to our next chord shape. So we've got, and then the next chord shape is you're gonna leave your ring finger and your pinky where they are, bar your first finger at the 16th fret of A and D, so that's gonna look like this. Open D, cool, so same pattern. And then the last chord of the verse, intro, whatever, is first finger on 15 of your low E. You can put your middle finger back to 16 of the D string, pinky stays on 19 on G, ring finger stays on 17 on B, and it'll sound like this. So instead of picking A, D, G, D to start, we're gonna skip the A string and hit the E string instead. So E, D, G, D, E, high E, B, G, D. All together. For the picking for this, I like to do it this way. You can alternate pick the whole thing. Probably just alternate pick the whole thing. It's fucking good guitar habits. Just do it. Who cares, right? Okay, cool. You made it through the verse. Good job. Congrats. Let's move over to the pre-chorus. We got some more weird chords here. This is a B minor-ish thing. B minor add 4. You guys don't care. You just want to know the song. Cool. Middle finger on the 7th fret of your low E string. Ring finger on the 7th fret of G. First finger on the 5th fret of your B string. And then you're gonna go. So the picking for that is E, D, G, D, high E, E, B, G, D. Then we're gonna move to an A. So I have open A, open D, still 7 on G, still 5 on B. And then we're gonna move the root note to the 3rd fret of the low E string. So it's a bit of a stretch. First finger on 3 on E, pinky on 7 on G, middle finger still on 5 on B. It'll sound like this. Skip the A string. Keep it going. Whole thing one more time. Cool, we move on to the chorus. Rhythm guitar for the chorus sounds like this. It's just power chords. We're gonna do a D power chord, 5th fret of the A string. 3rd fret on E, we're gonna do a G power chord. 7th fret on E, B. And then 5th fret on E. So all together is. Cool. The lead guitar there is a little more complicated. Let's get into that. First finger on 11th fret of G, middle finger on the 12th fret of D. It's gonna sound like this. Then ring finger on the 12th fret of G. Pinky on the 14th fret of G. Move the whole thing down to 6th position, so your middle finger is gonna play 7. Pinky will play 9 on G, and we're gonna go 9, 7, 6, back to 7. So all together is. we'll do that twice, and then it's gonna move to this. So that's 5 on E, 7 on B with your pinky, 7 on G with your ring finger. So we've got open G at the end. And then 7 on the high E string, 8 on the B string. And then 10 on high E, 10 on B. And this time we're gonna be bouncing off an open D string rather than G. So it's, and then same thing there again. Cool, then we're moving on to the interlude, which is exactly the same as the beginning of the chorus. Sounds like this. That's how you play all the sections of the song except for the very end of the song, which goes like this. So we're gonna hit open A over all 3 of these chords. Middle finger on the 7th fret of D would probably be best practiced. Pinky on the 9th fret of G. Then ring finger on 7 on G. Then first finger on 6 on G. So all together is, fuck, I don't know, whatever, dude, do whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. That's how you play the parts. Check the tab below. We have a drive with PDF and guitar profiles so you can play along. Thanks for watching. Hit me in the comments. Let me know what you want to see next time. Be sure to subscribe. We have a lot of guitar tutorials coming your way.